Beginner's Guide to Research Types and Techniques. Journey into the world of research. Let's dive in and uncover the what, why, and how of research. It's not just for scientists in labs, it's a part of our everyday lives. What is research? It's all about asking questions and seeking answers. It's the process of finding out new things in a systematic and organized way. Pretty cool, right? Basic research, think of it as pure research. It's driven by curiosity and a desire to expand knowledge. It's like exploring a cave not knowing what you'll find. Basic research example. This research could lead to new theories about black holes and their role in the universe, contributing to the broader field of astrophysics. Applied research. This is all about solving specific, practical problems. It's like using a map and compass to find the treasure. It's research with a direct mission. Applied research. A new crop variety that can be cultivated in areas with water scarcity, directly addressing the practical problem of drought's impact on agriculture. Quantitative research. This involves crunching numbers. It's like measuring ingredients for a perfect recipe. It's all about data and statistics. Quantitative research. Statistical data showing whether or not there's a significant improvement in test scores in classes where the new method was implemented. Method. Implement a new educational curriculum in a set of schools and use standardized tests to measure student performance before and after the implementation. The study would involve a large number of students to ensure statistical significance. Qualitative research. Example. Rich, descriptive data providing insights into the emotional and psychological aspects of living with a chronic illness, which could inform healthcare practices and patient support programs. Qualitative research, on the other hand, is more about understanding experiences and opinions. It's like listening to every note in a piece of music. It's all about the depth of information. Method. Conduct in-depth interviews with patients who have recently been admitted to a hospital. The interviews would focus on their personal experiences, feelings, and perceptions regarding the care they received. Conclusion. So, whether it's exploring new frontiers with basic research, solving real-world problems with applied research, diving into numbers with quantitative methods, or understanding stories through qualitative research, there's a whole world to explore. धन्यवाद देखने के लिए और ऐसे इंसाइटफुल वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।